Welcome home, Bitcoin Truth Seekers. It is Sunday, June 4th. It is 3:18 p.m. here in the Arizona desert, and we're going to rock through this quick. All right, BitcoinDailyView.com got more for you there as always. We're going to look at what the market's doing, big picture crypto stuff, and what Monday is kind of looking like. And I'll tell you what, Terra Classic losing its darn mind. Bitcoin Daily View got more for you there. Do check out. There's also now a TikTok channel, so it's right there. Sub to that, or just search for BitcoinDailyView.com on, or actually just Bitcoin Daily View on TikTok. It is there. All right. And actually, as a matter of fact, there is the page. Let me close that. All right. So, looking at this beautiful crypto universe in squares right now, Solana and Lun C doing crazy today. Bitcoin above 27,000. I'll take it. Ethereum just above 1,900. I'll take that. Mix of green and red, but getting to be more and more green today. This is kind of a good thing. It's Sunday. We're starting to move. Looks like maybe we're going to hit a good Monday. So, anyway, looking at total volume right now, last 24 hours. I'm going to refresh this thing here with the latest numbers. Bitcoin trading volume last 24 hours is 1.8 billion. That actually is fairly low, and that's good because it's Sunday. I'll take that. It's down last 24 hours, 64%, which does make sense. So very, very low volume right now. Looking at Rex last hour for Bitcoin explicitly, got like 3.7 million in liquidations. Most of those are actually on the short side. Also, last 24 hours, we have 6.4 million. And most of those were actually on the short side also. So people are trying to short it, but it's just not playing that game. So looking at Bitcoin right now, getting a spike of action here. This is a 15-minute chart. Beginning to see some beautiful sell and buy action by this purple candle here. You can see that shorts really just got wrecked. It's been an a little beautiful uptrend here, looking at a 15-minute chart, which is probably why the shorts are getting wrecked. So anyway, there's a $2 million short, just got wrecked right there. Anyhow, nice volume beginning to move in. You can see there's kind of a line of resistance here going side, and Bitcoin just broke above that. Well, it wicked above it. So we'll look at a better chart and look at that in just a second. A little bit deeper, of course. But anyway, Bitcoin just right now, as we start this video, making a little move and wrecking shorts. All right, so, and of course, this upwards channel has been wrecking shorts for a while today. Even though it's a 15-minute chart, it's getting people. 64% long, 34%, 35% short. So definitely on Binance, the long short bias is looking at the long side of things. And that's probably fairly recent. Looking at the 7-day graph here for all the big exchanges, as you can see, they've been really trailing off this weekend. Let's refresh this. I've been watching the volume slowly beginning to turn up. I think by later this afternoon, I bet you all the big exchanges, like the top 20 here, will probably all be in the green, and that would make sense. So we're rolling into Monday. I think we're going to see a positive Monday. We definitely had low volume. We gave a lot back recently. So that makes sense that we're going to see a turn up on Monday. Just kind of makes sense. Debt ceiling stuff worked out well enough. So I bet you we'll see a Lambo Monday for some alts, at least for sure. Binance coming in at like 4.4 billion in spot trading volume. I'm sorry. 4.4 billion in just volume. So anyway, that's pretty darn low actually. So it's good. It's Sunday, beginning to pick up. Gave a lot back. Had low volume. The big players are able to push the market around a little bit and make their longs and shorts with leverage. And now it's Monday, time for the retail trader to go long and make some money. Not financial advice, just saying that's what it kind of looks like. Looking at derivatives, longs versus shorts with leverage, 18 billion worth on Binance. That's not much at all. So really, we're just starting to see some action here in the market. We're picking up. I like it. Let's see how it rolls rest of this afternoon. Gemini Exchange up 29% in volume, back in the green. I like what I'm seeing. So this is a wonderful thing. Anyway, everybody, let's keep rocking. You can see the spike in the action that we just had right now. Terra Classic. This is basically Bitcoin, the top 100. So Bitcoin coming in at 27,212. You've got Terra Classic. Lun C, basically as it's known, has been on fire today. Rocket ship Pluto. I have no idea why. Looking at the top 100s, we're seeing them all begin to turn green here. Decentraland, Mana beginning to turn green, up 6.7%. I like that. XRP up 3.9%. Solana doing well today, up 4.6%. Altcoin 5.6%. We got some of the strong alts here in the top 100 looking darn good. Place your bets, y'all. Looking at Bitcoin, this is a daily chart going way back to March of 2020. As you can see, it's a Fibonacci sequence. And where has Bitcoin been in the last couple days, really? Like ever since about Thursday, March 16th, kind of like ever since just about the beginning of March, we've been going kind of sideways in this 618 golden pocket, which is basically the 618 and the .65 fib level. You can see here we've gotten above it a little bit, but in general we're riding that 618 golden pocket. We're above the 200 moving average on the daily. Looking at the directional nexus on the way down, and of course the ADX is on the directional index is slightly trending up here. Sorry, the color is not very bright there, but you can see some green candles there, green bars. ADX is really dumping. So, we still have a lot of downwards pressure here on the daily, but we are above the 200 moving average. So I think it's maybe bounce time. We shall see. I mean, let's go to a 4-hour chart, get a slightly better look at this here. And I'm going to, let's look at this a little bit better. These bars you see here going sideways, this is basically the support and resistance that I've seen. So, really, are we going to break through this? We do definitely have some of a glass ceiling right here. Can Bitcoin push back above that? We shall see. But one thing I do like seeing here is right here where this resistance is here on the way back up. You can see it's been support also like right here. Do note right now we're in the 4-hour chart. We are just now wicking above that 200 moving average. Very, very powerful. So really, it's all about as we start this week, I think, in Bitcoin get about this 200 moving average, the white one here in the 4-hour chart. Probably come back and test it. Can it get back above this kind of glass ceiling and start moving? Definitely could. We're setting up in the right place. Do note that the directional index, the ADX has been down here. It's about time for it to start perking up. We're just starting to see some green here in the directional index. So definitely a possibility. It's in the right spot to start moving. We shall see. Let's actually nix all these indicators here. Nix all the indicators. There we go. And let's go to a 45-minute chart. And darn it, I lost my 200 moving average there. Sorry about that. Crud, can I bump? There we go. Let me just nix drawings. Wait a second. What's going on here? Chart's acting funny. Moving average go. There it is. Let's just stay here and go to the 45-minute chart. Okay. Things are being a little funny, so I'm just going to go with what we got here. All right, so looking at this, as you can see, 200 moving average here in the 45-minute chart. We definitely are breaking above it. That's pretty darn groovy. Can we continue up? And I only want to remove my drawings, not indicators. And it's taken. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Now let's real quick fire up the. You can see the ADX is on the way back up. Directional index is very, very powerful. So in the short time frame, we're looking good. 4-hour chart's beginning to move towards the positive. Looking at the daily chart, we're in that 618 golden pocket. We're above the 200 moving average. We're seeing some perkiness here in the market. Let's real quick look at LUNC versus USDT. Look at it over here on Binance where the big volume is. LUNC lost its dang mind today. 45-minute chart going crazy. Probably time for a retrace there. But you know what? It would not hurt to actually grab a fib right here on this short time frame and watch this thing for a logical bounce at maybe the .5 or maybe go back to the 618 golden pocket. We shall see. LUNC losing its mind. I wouldn't quite get in right now. It's probably going as far as it's going to go this run. Here's something I saw. It's a Pepe. Isn't that cute? Little coin goes like that. I have no idea what it means, but Pepe's on Solaris. Solana. Check that out. I think it may be a play this week, along with Solana starting a week pretty darn strong. So take care, and I will see you again as soon as I can get on, and as soon as something interesting happens, I'll be back. Let's try to make some good setups this week, make some money. Take care.